beating while like drum them bust. Fighting for me party even when the road get rough. Them try hold me down but my spirit too tough. Because of this stress, fuck all the bluff. Me push through the pain, never bow, never fall. My dreams too big, forget by out our soul. Them want see me feel, but me moving too bold. My destiny burn hot like fire when no cool. Life teach me enough things that go deep like blade, but me still charge forward, never once get afraid. So chase your dream, run fast, no stall. The elevator, them fist up themself and fall. Stand tall, me say rise up to the fight. Push till your glory start shine bright. Them can't stop greatness. The real talk kick down barrier like me mash down rock. Hold firm, youth, and trust your scheme. Nothing can stop you when you chase your dream. Me push hard every day like my spirit on fire. My goal stack higher than any man desire. Me nah beg favor, me create my own lane. Can't hear my soul, we're born for it. Me hustle through the storm, wet clothes and rage. Still me step like lion, bust out a cage. Them chat no fuckery, but my mind stay clean. Focus lock tight on the vision me seen. Ambition are the fuel that keep me alive. I'm a roar through life with unstoppable drive. Chase your dream, it's a far go hard. No matter who vex or who keep guard. Them go and talk shit, but you still advance. Push through the fight, no miss the chance. When the pressure get heavy, stand firm in your lane. Rise from the struggle, rise from the pain. Hold fast, me say life sweet more than it seems. Greatness soon reach when you chase your